Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to become a medical doctor. It's a challenging yet incredibly rewarding journey. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to become a doctor. First, let's understand what doctors do. Doctors diagnose and treat illnesses, prescribe medications, and help patients maintain their overall health. They work in various specialties, such as pediatrics, surgery, and general medicine. To become a doctor, you need to start with a strong educational foundation. Here are the key steps. 1. Complete high school. Grade 12, focus on science. Subjects like mathematics, physical sciences, and life sciences. Good grades are essential for the next steps. 2. Earn a bachelor's degree in medicine, MBChB. This is a 6-year program offered by medical schools such as the University of Cape Town, University of Pretoria, and University of the Witwatersrand. Getting into medical school is competitive. Here are some tips. 1. Achieve high marks in matric. Your performance in grade 12 is crucial. Aim for top marks, especially in science subjects. 2. National Benchmark Tests, NBTs. Some universities require NBT scores as part of the admission process. 3. Extracurricular activities. Participate in activities that demonstrate leadership, teamwork, and a passion for healthcare. Once admitted, your journey in medical school will include 1. Pre-clinical years, first 2 to 3 years. Focus on theoretical knowledge in subjects like anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. 2. Clinical years, last 3 to 4 years. Hands-on training in hospitals and clinics, rotating through various specialties such as internal medicine, surgery, pediatrics, and obstetrics. After graduating with your MBChB degree, you must complete 1. Internship, 2 years, practical training under supervision in accredited hospitals. 2. Community service, 1 year. Serve in a public healthcare facility, often in rural or underserved areas. Before you can practice independently, you need to register with the Health Professions Council of South Africa, HPCSA. This involves completing the Internship and Community Service. Ensure you meet all the practical training requirements. Registering with the HPCSA. Submit the necessary documents and pay the registration fee. If you wish to specialize, you'll need additional training. This involves 1. Choosing a specialty. Fields include surgery, internal medicine, pediatrics, and more. 2. Completing a registrar program. This training can take an additional 4 to 6 years. Continuing education is also crucial. Stay updated on the latest medical research, technologies, and treatments by attending conferences, reading journals, and taking courses. And that's how you become a medical doctor in South Africa. It's a long and challenging journey, but the opportunity to help people and make a difference in their lives makes it all worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on exploring different careers. See you in the next video.